Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you do subscribe and make sure you do hit the notifications bell so you're aware when I post new videos. In this video, we're going to be making chicken salad, and I'm going to be using fresh rotisserie chicken that I bought from the store. If you can get the Sam's Club kind, that's the best, but this isn't Sam's Club, but it is good. It's well seasoned, so we're going to use this to make the chicken salad. But first, I'm going to cut up celery. Now I'm finally chopping the celery because I don't want it to be too chunky. So I'm trying to chop them down fine. So I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken to the bowl. You can see that. I'm just going to add this celery in there. I'm only going to use like that much because I don't need a lot. And the same with the onions. I want to finally chop these too, but not so much. You guys hear that thunder? It's raining out, thundering. Got the window open. Nice, calm night. Okay, add those in. This is a quick and easy recipe. Doesn't take long. I got tears. Oh, God. Whew, Jesus. Want to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in to this mix here. A little bit. So I'm just going to add some mayonnaise in. And I got some mayo, olive oil mayonnaise. I know some people can make theirs from scratch, but I'm not going to do that. I'm all about quick and easy and fast. So that's what we're going to do. So I add 2 full spoons in. That smells good. I'm gonna move it closer so you guys can see. So this is two tablespoons I'm using. So I'm gonna mix that in and see how that works out for us. I'm gonna season it. Some pepper, some onion powder, and a little bit of relish for sweetness. So that clearly wasn't enough. And this makes it, the amount of chicken I had makes a small batch because I'm only, not a lot of people eating it, it's just me. That's good. So I'm going in for 2 more tablespoons. 2.5 tablespoons in there. That's the creamy texture that I'm looking for. So that was about 4 tablespoons with the amount of chicken I had. It was 4.5 tablespoons. You can eat this with some toast, on toast, toasted bun, make a sandwich. I like to eat it by itself sometimes with just a fork. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some seasoning in there. The chicken was well seasoned, but just gonna add some more. This is onion powder, some pepper, and I'm gonna add some relish. I don't have that here right now, so I'm gonna get that. This tastes pretty good. Add a tablespoon of relish. Okay, so this is the texture that I'm looking for. You can put this on the sandwich bun. And I went for a light, fresh taste, so you guys can taste it as you go along and see how you would like yours. But this is done. This is simple, fast, and easy. Refrigerate for a couple hours, let everything marinate. That's it. Again, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, leave me some comments below and enjoy.